This is the Tesla Model S Plaid, the fastest accelerating car in the world. And next to it is the BMW S1000RR. And today, we're gonna find out which one's faster.
This is gonna be a very interesting race, particularly because I haven't lost a race yet in the Plaid against any other car. So I figured putting it up against a leader bike would be a more fun match. 205 horsepower, 434 pounds for the bike versus this weighs 4,800 pounds. That is a big weight difference, but it also makes 1,020 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque from its 3 electric motors. First, we're gonna hit some races from a standstill to see how this car launches compared to the bike, and then we're gonna do a handful of roll races to see how it does at higher speeds. Let's hit it.
This is the Tesla Plaid. Look at it. With him inside.
You can't do that, damn you.
He's jealous he can't split no lanes.
Oh my God. Time to put the car into drag strip mode, wait a couple of minutes, and then let's hit some races.
I've seen videos with the Tesla Plaid racing bikes, but a lot of those guys couldn't ride. So I know I can ride, so I think you're gonna have a tough time. If you slip up in the slightest, I'm coming around the backside of this thing.
All right, well, best of luck. For sure at higher speeds he was gonna pass me, but apparently from a dig the Plaid is faster and he showed no signs of actually gaining on the Plaid at high speed. Let's definitely run that back.
Everybody says I cheat when I start in every video because I'm the guy that drops the hand because no one else will, because it's a disadvantage, and they say I'm cheating. Taking off on me. Damn, that thing is faster than my bike. All the way up to that top speed, it accelerates faster than my bike. Yeah. That's incredible.
Well, the Plaid is definitely faster from a standstill. Let's hit some roll races, shall we?
All the way through 155.
That is extremely close from a roll.
It is. But
this one though, you got me for sure.
But all the way, I even said it on camera, all the way, I was looking at my speedo going 155 and I still was not pulling on you. It's not until you let off that I pass.
Wow.
At no point.
Really?
No, never. That car has got it.
Nuts.
It's just absolutely faster than this bike. All the way through. Until you let off, I do not pass you. So, you got it today, man. Congratulations. And it's so funny, I told you when we first got here that you told me you wouldn't give me a call again until you had something that could beat me. Well,
Finally!
The last time me and him hung out was when I had my supercharged Huracan. We met up and he destroyed me. Like it wasn't even close.
Ow.
Doing wheelies, just basically bragging about how much his thing was faster by just demonstrating it. And now finally.
And I've raced Bugattis before, so
wow.
I've raced everything. And that is the fastest car I've come across right there.
And so this is an S1000RR running
Yes.
on E85?
Correct. 2021 BMW S1000RR tuned by Bren Tuning, run on E85. It's an absolute monster. You see, none of the other bikes were close to it.
No, yeah.
They were all behind us. So
this makes 205 horsepower. What do you think that's at the crank. What do you think it makes now?
I would say it's sitting right over 200 at the wheel, maybe 201, 202, 203, something like that. But I guess I'm gonna have to do a few more things before I can come out and mess with this Tesla.
That is pretty crazy that you can just go and order this off the website and end up with a family car that's that fast. But you've got unreal. A lot more balls racing something like this than I do in a freaking
the
Tesla.
bike was having a hard time keeping the wheel down, as you
I can see that, yeah.
It was just the front wheel, it's basically holding it at a little spot the whole time, but it still wasn't anything enough for that.
What else can you do to something like this? Like, do people ever supercharge them or not really?
You could put titanium rods in it. You could do cam work and stuff, but each thing you do, you're taking down miles on the engine. So this bike could go 50,000 or more miles like this and still be super strong. Now you start changing stuff, you only got a couple races in you before you have to start changing parts. So not worth it. It's diminishing returns. So I guess the bikes are just going to have to start becoming electric.
I guess that'll be, once these have an electric powertrain and they get weight sorted, it's going to be pretty damn fast.
Imagine if a battery this big made 200 horsepower and this thing weighed 100 pounds. That'll be the day. So I'm still waiting for it, but the day has come where the car is king. Congratulations.
Well, you guys heard it from Max Rist himself. The Plaid is faster than the S1000RR, even on E85, even with an exhaust and a tune, which honestly, I thought I was gonna lose today. So I'm incredibly impressed with the Plaid. The fact that this is a four-door family sedan that you can get groceries in, drive to work, your grandmother could drive it, and it's faster than a liter bike is absolutely insane. So guys, if you're watching this video and you have a faster bike or a faster car and you want to get some races in, hit me up at Vehicle Virgins on Instagram. I'd love to put some stuff together. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.